Madhya Pradesh, after the
start, I filed an intervention application for 335 special educators from Madhya Pradesh. They have been working on contractual basis.
in fact, they have not, after your Lordship order of 21st April, they have not filed any affidavit.
Lordship's direction was to file the report in sealed cover.
Yeah. I've been given to understand that perhaps some sealed cover report has been filed, not given to me also. I don't know for why sealed cover report.
My
Lords, I appear for the state of Madhya Pradesh, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, we have given a report in the sealed cover as
Why
directed by
this-
the Lordship.
Why?
My lords, because that was the direction, my lords.
That was the direction.
I was
Yes,
searching for
yes.
that order, that line.
Which order says so?
My lords, 21st of April 2026, my lords.
दिखाइए ना एक बार 21st April 26 वाला.
Yeah.
My lords,
The line says, well, may I read that line? I got it. The screening committee will proceed to verify the qualifications of the contractual special teachers and submit a report before this court in a sealed cover on 21st July 2026. So perhaps that screening committee report has to be seen. But my friend can tell how many.
Yes.
But I don't know why this need was there in the order for sealed cover. I never
You have
been.
to read the preceding portion. Why we?
My friend had filed a contempt petition. Perhaps that order came in.
I'll just inform, my lords, we are 85 of the persons who are working in the state of Madhya Pradesh. We are RCI qualified. What your lordships directed on 21st of April is paragraph 7 is very, very crucial. May I just read it for your lordship's kind consideration? Having heard so and so, we direct that on 31st July 2026 or until further orders, whichever is earlier, the service of 85 petitioners, which are us, as well as all other contractual special teachers who are in a position as on date shall not be disturbed. Their terms may be suitably extended to comply with this order. Now, your lordships at paragraph 8 has observed, in the meantime, however, petitioner may appear before the screening committee on a date that may be notified and communicated to Mr. Jain. The screening committee will proceed to verify the qualifications of contractual special teachers and submit a report before this court in a sealed cover. Lordships, my instructions are, and my submission is that out of these 85, 78 have been found to be qualified in the screening committee. 78. So, my lord, the report will.
Yeah, आया है report. When did you file it, Mr. Raizada?
My lords, we had filed it early this month, my lords. I don't know the exact date, my lords, but we have filed it, my lords. My lords, may I just say something about the report? Because if your lordships permit me, I can say something about the report because the report has been furnished in a sealed cover, but I can say something because there's nothing too confidential.
Out of 85, 78 have qualified.
Yes. My lords, may I say something that they were brought into service as contractual teachers after the judgment of this honorable court. Now, your lordship's order of 7th of March, it sort of, my lords, indicates that teachers who had been service for a very, very long time, they should be considered.
Right.
On that, my lords, and they entered into service only after your lordship's judgment in 2023, my lords.
Who? All these 85?
Yes, my lords, all the 85.
My lords, I am for those 335 teachers who have been working for a very long time.
My lords,
Then how has
my
your
lords, the first time special guest educators, my lords, were
working from
engaged under the Samagra Shiksha
3 years.
of the central government.
So,
3 to 4
years,
years.
you cannot get this benefit.
May I just, if lordships may just permit me,
And
may
my
I-
lords, the maximum is
the
3.
order of 7th March 2025. I just wanted to draw your lordship's kind attention to one para which is very, very crucial for me. If lordships may permit me, I just
Yes,
read
which
it.
page? Which page?
It is at page 187 of my contempt petition.
No, internal page. Refer to the
Yes,
internal page.
internal page, my lords, it is 13.
13.
Yes. At the top of the page.
Right.
Yes. May I just read it? The first para. The screening committee shall examine the case of each of the candidates who have been working on contract daily wage basis to teach these children, and those teachers who have been found to be competent, eligible and qualified to teach shall be given the pay scale of the special teacher. My lord, this is very, very crucial. The past experience of these teachers shall also be kept in mind. However, the mandatory requirement for each of these candidates would be RCI qualification. So, my lords, what I
Next para.
Yes, my lord. Further, in case of a person who is already working and teaching for last many years, the screening committee shall also be authorized considering relaxation of age limit in the appropriate case.
Right. and come to the previous page,
Internal page 12.
20 years.
Yes, yes, 20.
That was a brief indication of 20.
Past the 3 to 4 years, these 85 people are
The
working.
maximum
We have
is 3
experience in
years.
the field.
The outer
Out of-
limit
So we will see the report and
Yes.
we
Out
have
of
to
these
take a call.
85, 78 have been found qualified by the
Mr.
screening.
Raizada learned.
My Lord, just one more
Hearing
thing.
for the state of MP submits that in compliance with the order dated so and so of this
21st
court,
April.
21st April, a
26.
report in sealed cover has been filed this month.
32.
The report, however, is not on record. Registry is directed to place the report on record. We'll take up the case of Madhya Pradesh next week.
Great.
My Lord, the intervention application may be allowed, my Lord.
No, but there are 230.
No, we will first see the report, thereafter consider who are you, then pass it.
That order also talked about 232 contractual teachers, apart from these 85. Last para 9 of my note also.
Para 9 of your note.
That order which I have extracted, my lords. The process which has been undertaken pursuant to the advertisement of 6 July 2023 to fill up the other vacant post, leaving aside 232 posts for the contractual special teachers. So my friend may also file a better affidavit to demonstrate that remaining out of 85, 232, my lords,
Mr. Raizada, what about the
others.
other process?
My lords, may I just say this? So these special guest educators, the one who are in contempt petition before, my lords, they were engaged pursuant to the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan of the central government, my lords. And they were recruited only in 2023. So the total number, my lords, may I just give? Total number who were engaged in 2023 to 2024 academic year is 157. In 2024 to 2025 academic year, my lords, we engaged 232 of them. And in 2025 to 2026, my lords, we engaged 258 of them. So all of them, my lords, are special guest educators.
But is this indicated in your report which you have filed?
My lords, it's also indicated in my affidavit also, my lords.
Affidavit dated?
My lords, affidavit dated 8th of September 2025, my lords.
No, we want a decent affidavit.
My lords, recent. No,
According
this
to
is
my
the
assessment,
affidavit.
Cannot rely on a 1-year-old affidavit.
No, my lords, because
What has been the progress that you have achieved? That should be
Well,
indicated in an affidavit.
my lords,
You
we
file
will
the report for the contractual teachers. You file an affidavit by next Monday.
oblige, my lords.
State of
Very
Madhya Pradesh shall also file an affidavit by Monday next, indicating therein the progress made for filling up the posts other than the 232 posts for contractual teachers.
Now, my lords, I have been informed that 762 more posts have been sanctioned and notified.
Well, you let them come up.
good for you.
Yes, now Delhi.
Oblige, my lords.
Delhi have a unique problem. Apart from 7
It
March,
is here.
My lords,